Suggestions for improving your Forex trading experience. The word Forex alone makes people believe they can make money, while also being extremely confusing. Many people are aware that they can profit from Forex, but are unsure how. The important thing to remember is that you must have knowledge of the market in order to understand it. The more tips you learn, the better your chances of success with Forex. Continue watching this video for tips on how to improve your knowledge. When first starting out in Forex trading, keep your margins low. It can be tempting to become heavily leveraged in Forex trading, investing money that you do not actually have. However, as a beginner in Forex trading, you are more likely to lose than win. When you lose by large margin, you end up paying out a lot more. So to avoid emotional stress as a result of losses, keep your margin low. Begin trading Forex with a small amount of money that you are willing to lose. If you make good trading decisions, you can use your profits to grow your account. This allows you to get a feel for the market without taking any significant risks. Choose one of the major markets. The foreign exchange market is dominated by New York, London, Tokyo, Singapore, and Germany. Try to avoid the tiniest markets. The smallest market you should deal with is Hong Kong, which has roughly 4% of the market. Relative strength indices can help you determine the average losses or gains of specific markets. It doesn't exactly show your investment, but it does give you an idea of how profitable certain markets are. You should probably avoid markets that have historically produced little profit. When trading Forex, keep a detailed record of all your decisions and transactions. This is significant because, in addition to analyzing the market, it is also necessary to analyze oneself for positive or negative trends. This allows you to easily assess your performance and make changes as needed. Never underestimate the value of experience. Make trades, study, and gain knowledge. The most experienced Forex traders are those who have been at it the longest. An experienced trader will recognize what appears to be a good trade on the surface, but will know from past experience that it is not a good one. Continue to practice your skills because that is the only way to learn. When it comes to Forex trading, a great tip is to always keep a notebook on hand. Make a note of anything interesting that happens in the market. Market openings, stop orders, your fills, price ranges, and your own observations should all be of interest to you. Analyze them on a regular basis to get a sense of the market. You'll always need a plan to get through it. It's a good idea to revise your current strategy at least once a week, if not more frequently. Examine your data to see how you can improve your overall strategy to get out of a dilemma when the time comes. Make every effort to automate your trades. If you trade with your emotions, Forex trading can become very addictive and dangerous. Setting up automated trading systems can eliminate the risk of an emotional trade. Take the money and run if your trading system tells you to. Follow your systems rather than your emotions. If you practice demo trading, you will fare much better. When you practice making live trades under real-world market conditions, you can gain experience in the Forex market without putting your own money at risk. Make use of online tutorials before making your first real or live trade. Arm yourself with as much knowledge as possible. Probably one of the hardest things you can do is to try to change the way Forex works. You're simply not going to do it. Always stick to the most tried and true methods and strategies available. Yes, you can tweak them along the way to make them more efficient for you, but don't deviate too far from the pack. You might feel as if you don't have enough information to go ahead with entering a trade at times. A lack of confidence is natural. The best way to overcome it is to determine whether you've learned enough to make a profit. Simply try it out. And if you aren't satisfied with your results, devise a new strategy for success. There is no shame in trying. To become a successful trader, you must first understand the market's major trends. Even if your strategy requires you to go against the market, doing so will cause you stress and put your investments at risk. Choose a safe investment and a broker that is trusted by the majority of traders. The most appropriate Forex trading strategy may be one that combines fundamental and technical trading principles. This entails keeping up with relevant news events, while also evaluating market movement. Traders who can use both of these broad strategies will be more savvy and successful than professionals. If you are a currency trader who employs a system, keep it as simple as possible. The more complex a trading system is, the more likely it is to fail. Excessive effort in trading does not guarantee success. So it is preferable to work smarter rather than harder to achieve the desired results. With all of the information you've just learned about Forex, you should feel more confident in your understanding of a few ways to make money through Forex. Remember that the only way you'll see success is if you take the initiative. Make sure to put everything you've learned to good use, and you should have no trouble becoming successful.